Good morning, all of you. Good morning, beta. I am fine, Riyadh. How are you? I am fine, Sharana. Too cold today. I hope you all are fine, fit and fine. And let's start now. Today we will continue our good morning, beta. Good morning. You all please take out your math magic book. You all please take out your math magic book, beta. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, beta. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay. You all please take out your math magic book and open page number. You all please open page number 107. You all please open page number 107. 107 of our math magic book. Chapter number 8 is going on, right? Numbers from 21 to 50. This chapter is going on. Can you hear my voice? My voice clear, beta? 107. Yes, Shubhecha. 107. Page number 107. Okay? And you all please mute your own microphone, beta. Otherwise, you cannot listen my voice. Okay? You all please mute your own microphone and follow me. And let's start now. And from previous page, our previous page, we have completed till page number 106, 106, okay? 31 to 40. In this page was 21 to 40. This march is completed. Today we will start from numbers from 41 to 50. Numbers from 50, 41 to 50, 41 to 50. Beta, I will discuss about project Shubhecha. Don't worry about your project. I will discuss you later on, beta. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here, you know that in our bundle 10. In a bundle, one bundle, 10 matchstick. So, how many bundle in this picture? You all please open your book and follow me. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundle of 10. That means 4 tens and 1, 1. This is done in your book. This is done in your book. No need to do anything in this book. Here, 41. 4 tens and 1, 1. The number is 4. No need to write and no need to draw anything here. 4 tens and 1, 1. The number is 41. Okay. And the next one, please follow your book. 4 tens. 4 tens drawn, but 2 ones. No matchstick in one's room. So you have to draw 2 matchstick in one's room. 4 tens. 4 bundle of tens it's drawn and the 2 ones, but no matchstick in one's room. So please draw in one's room 2 matchstick. You all please follow me carefully and solve in your book. 4 tens and 2 ones. Very good, beta. 4 tens and 2 ones, 42. Okay, in one's room, in this blank portion, please draw 2 matchstick, 2 ones. Okay, and the next one is 4 tens and 3 ones. No need to do anything. Everything has been done in this book. In this maths, 4 tens and 3 ones. The number is 43. 4 tens and 3 ones. The number 43. It is done in your book. No need to do anything. And the next math, 4 tens and 4 ones. 44. But you have to draw here 4 tens. 4 bundle of tens you have to draw. 4 tens and 4 ones. In the ones stick it's drawn, but you have to draw 4 bundle of tens. How to draw? draw in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a one bundle. Another bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is another bundle. 2. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a bundle of. So here in this manner you have to draw 4 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens and 4 tens. 4 tens, 4 bundle of tens you have to draw. You have to draw 4 tens in this manner, or another way also you can 4 tens and 4 ones. The number 44. 4 tens and 4 ones. The number 44. Yes. Have you drawn in your book or not? Beta? Okay. I hope you're okay. Very good, Shitama. Okay, Sharona. Very good. Parvez, very good. Okay, fine. And Shaptoshi, very good, beta. That means you know how you have to do. In this blank portion, you have to draw 4 bundle of tens. And the next math. Here, 4 tens. 4 tens is drawn in your book, but 5 ones. In the ones room, no matchstick. Then how many matchstick you have to draw over here? Yes, very good, Riyadh. Very good, beta. Here, now you have to draw 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matchstick you have to draw in 5 ones. This place. 4 tens and 5 ones. The number is 45. 4 tens and 5 ones. The number 45. Okay, Shivanita. Very good, beta. Now, I have to rub the board for the next math. I hope you all have completed this much. Have you completed? I hope completed. Quick reply. Reply quickly, beta. Okay, fine. Next, we will complete the next part. 4 tens and 6 ones. Here also in ones room, no matchstick. 4 tens and 6 ones. But in ones room, in the tens room, 4 tens it's drawn, but the ones room, no matchstick. So you have to draw 6 matchstick in ones room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 tens and 6 ones. What is the number? 4 tens and 6 ones. The number is 40. Yes, Shanaya, very good, beta. 4 tens and 6 ones. The number is 46. So we completed, very good. Next math. Here 4 tens and 7 ones. The number is 47. It is done in your book. No need to do anything. 4 tens and 7 ones. The number is 47. Yes, very good. Very good, all of you. Next is 4 tens and 8 ones. But in 8 ones, no matchstick. So you have to draw 8 matchstick in one's room. But 4 tens, in the tens room, 4 bundle of tens is drawn. And but in one's room, 8 ones. No matchstick in one's room. So please draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 tens and 8 ones. Draw 8 matchstick in one's room. 4 tens and 8 ones. Very good, Sharona. 4 tens and 8 ones. The number is 48. 4 tens and 8 ones. The number 48. Okay. And next there is 4 tens and 9 ones. The number 49. But in tens room, no bundle of tens. So here you have to draw 4 bundle of tens. You have to draw 4 bundle of tens. So please draw here 4 tens and 9 ones. In ones room, 9 matchstick is there. Number 49 of 4 bundle of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One bundle, another bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 bundle of tens. 4 tens and 9 ones. The number 49. Hey Shubhecha, are you using, what is this? It is slate? Do you have book with you, Shubhecha? Have you solved in your book also, right? Or not? Do you have book or not, Shubhecha? Okay, next is 4 tens and 1 10. This is done in your book. 4 tens and 1 10. Yes, 50. Very good. 4 tens, 4 tens and 1 10. 14 and 1 10. 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. 14 and 1 10. After 9, 9 ones, then comes 10 ones. 10 1 means 1 10. 10 ones equal to 1 10. Hey Rishi, you have to draw bundle of tens. You have to draw in the tens room. You have to draw bundle of tens. Where? In the 9. 4 tens and 9 ones. There you have to draw 4 bundle of tens and 4 tens, 4 ones. Here you have to draw 4 bundle of tens. Yes, Parvez, you are correct, beta. Okay, 4 tens and 1 10 equal to 5 10. Shivanita, I will discuss better. Completed? Okay, very good. Now, 4 10 plus 1 10, 5 tens. 5 tens equal to 50. Next, turn over the next page. You all please turn over the next page. Go to the next page. Page number 108. I hope 107 completed. Now, you all please turn over the next page. Page number 108. 108. Yes, Shovik, you are correct, beta. 4 10 and 1 10 equal to 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. 1 10 equal to 10. 2 tens means 20. 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 40 and 5 tens equal to 50. When the 9 ones, then 10 ones. 10 1 means 1 10. Okay? Now, next page 108. 108. Write the missing numbers. I hope no need to help. Do you need my help? I hope you can do it on. Yes, very good, Parvez, very good. Who is the previous one? Yes, Sharona, very good, beta. Parvez, very good. And others, you all please complete this page. Page number, write the missing number. I hope. And who still don't know, for them, I hope you all know how to write 1 to 50. Do you need my help? Yes or no? Reply me. No, yes. I know that no need my help because it is very easy. You all know how to write 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 1, 1, 11, then 1, 2, 12, 1, 10, 2 ones, 1, 10, 3 ones, 13, 1, 10, 4 ones, 14, 1, 10, 5 ones, 15, 1, 10, 6 ones, 16, 1, 10, 7 ones, 17, 1, 10, 8 ones, 18, 1, 10, 9 ones, 19, 2 tens, 20. Okay, done. Okay, very good all of you. Very good, beta. No need to my help, I know very well. Still 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30. Then 3 tens, 1, 1, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 4 tens, 40. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. That means you learn how to write 1 to 50. I know that you know you can write 1 to 100. Am I right? Can you write 1 to 100 or not? You can write? I hope you can. Okay, very good, Priyankshi. Very good, all of you. Now, oh, yes, I know you all can write. You all know that 1 to 100. How to write 1 to 100, I know that. You know. And have you learned the table? Have you learned the table or not? I hope learn. 6 to 10 table you have to learn. Okay? Now I will take your attendance. Before I want to discuss one thing. In a paper or in a page, in a paper or in a scrapbook, you listen, you all. Very good, all of you. Scrapbook, you can make the project in your scrapbook. If you don't have scrapbook, you can make a project on a sheet, and in a cover file you can insert the page. In a cover file also you can make this project. In a page, white page or the scrapbook, if you make, no need, you can use anything. Take the matchstick, use the matchstick. Using the matchstick, you have to make 10 to 20. 10 to 20 you have to, okay, present, you know, please listen about the project. You have to make, using the matchstick, you have to show 10 to 20. How to make 10? 10 matchstick. In this manner, you will paste 10 matchstick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a 10 matchstick. It is 110 means 10. Okay, and then in a together you paste 10 matchstick. That means one bundle of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is a 10. And write 110. 1, 1. In the 1, 1 room, you will just paste one matchstick. In this manner, you will cover file means in a sheet A4 size paper, you make your project and then you insert in a cover transparent file. Channel file is there. Inside the file, you will first page, you will write your name, class, sections, you will write, and subject and math project, and then inside you will make in this manner 10 matchstick you will paste in your page. Using the matchstick, tens and ones. 110, 1010, 10 matchstick, and then 110, 1, 1. In your book, how it is done, in this manner, you all will, this one you will prepare in your, okay. Page number 71 open. Page number 71 open. Here 110, you just paste the matchstick in this manner. If you paste, okay, fine, no problem. Or 1 by 1, 110 and 1, 1. 10, 9 plus 1, 10. You can make this project in this manner. 10 to 20. You will make this project page number 71. 71 and 72. How it is done, but in the right side, no need to paste this matchstick, only write the number. Left side, you will paste 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, paste the matchstick. Using the matchstick, you will, but the right side, again, no need to paste 10 plus 2. Only write 12. This side, you will paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 matchstick, 110 plus 1. 1 matchstick, that means 1, 1 equal to 11. 11 you will write, but here you will paste the matchstick. 10 plus 1. And the first one, you will make page number of your Math Magic book, page number 71 and 72. Okay, in this manner, but the right side, no need to paste the matchstick, only the left side. 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4, in this manner, 10 to 20. Okay, I hope understood. Now I will take your attendance.